Hi, this is Jamie Klossmeyer. For my first technology, I'm going to discuss Padlet. You can find Padlet by going to padlet.com. The purpose of Padlet, it is essentially an online bulletin board. So I picked this because I wanted to find something that would enhance student communication and collaboration, not only between themselves, but between a teacher and the students. You could also use this for communication with parents, coworkers, colleagues, anybody from other schools. To me, appears to be a really good collaboration tool to post different content. As you'll see here, I've listed the ISTE standards that I felt aligned well with this tool. There were 2 educator standards, as well as I went ahead and also put in 2 leadership standards as well. So let's go ahead and go over to Padlet. I signed into Padlet by using my Google account. The free version allows you 3 Padlets, live Padlets or ongoing Padlets at any one time. All the feedback and reviews that I read or viewed online via video said that people that had used Padlet for a long time had never needed anything beyond the free version, so that's always good. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start by clicking on Make a Padlet. As you can see here, this tells you the different types of Padlets that you can use. So there's a wall version, and that is puts it in all the posts in a brick-like content. Streaming, this gives you content in chronological order as a streaming, similar to a Facebook post, for instance. Grid arranges it in boxes. A shelf will stack them. The map version here shows you or allows you to post in a location on the map anywhere in the globe. I thought that was kind of neat. Canvas, it allows you to interconnect posts with different arrows. So I could see this possibly used, let's just say you wanted students to post or comment on the different steps in a process, and then you could interconnect those suggested steps in the process with the related arrows. And then a timeline, it allows you to place the content in a horizontal line on a timeline. We're going to go ahead and just for an example, just click on wall. And as you can see here, it defaults you to a certain background as well as a title and a description. But you can change these yourself. So we're just going to say Monday Madness. And for a description, we're going to change this to post about what you did this weekend. As you can see, here's where you can change your wallpaper, your color scheme. The attribution is where that you can display the author name above each post automatically. Please keep in mind, however, that in order for it to automatically display, the user would have to have a Padlet account. A Padlet account is not necessary in order to post, but in order for it to automatically attribute, you would want to do that or have them create an account. I saw some instructors that they didn't necessarily want to have their students do that, so they just had them always put their name in the title as the first thing that they were posting about in order to know that it was coming from them. Here is where you can turn on or off comments, so we want to allow viewers to comment on our post. You can also allow reactions, so likes, votes, stars, grades, etc. Require approval will allow you to, you as the creator or the moderator, to approve any posts before they go onto the site. So for instance, if you wanted to view all the content before it was allowed on here, you can turn that on or off as well. And you can allow it to replace profanity with nice emojis. Replace those bad words with emojis. So we're going to click next and start posting. You can just click here. Let's just say I'm going to put my name and what I did this weekend. I worked in my garden. So not only can you type words into here, you can also add different things. And by clicking on here, it will show you the different selections. You can upload a file, take a picture, a video recorder. You could draw. So let's just say you were having a student and they were having problems with how they were working through a math assignment. You could have them show their work in here and they could save that to their post. You could also link to a website, search for a YouTube video, search for a GIF, search the web directly, and then post the web page onto your post. So this is one of the reasons I really like this, is because everything is within the application itself. So it gives the users a lot of different options and resources, right within the application, for them to decide how and what they want to display. So with this, I'm just going to go ahead and click publish. And as you can see, it puts my work right into there. So users would continue to post into the Padlet. And for this one, it essentially creates a wall, like we'd said, and layers them in. If you wanted to share this, you could click on here, copy a link to the clipboard, and you could paste that link into your Google Classroom so that the link is directly on that page, and once the students would click on there, then they would be able to comment and post. So that's Padlet. I hope you like it. Have a great day.